guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is Friday and I went to the market to get some things for my gilly and also some things for myself, so I'll be showing you guys shortly. Welcome to the channel and welcome to another vlog, so stick around, don't go anywhere. So alright, first on my list is PJs that I got. This one is XL. This is the top. I got this for 3.5. It's okay, oh, it's not new one, so that you will not forget. By the way, this has become my favorite spot. Then this is another one that I got. I think this one is going to suit me more because this one is XXL, while this other one is XL. It's going to enter me, but I don't know, this one is going to be freer. So this is the trouser length. Then this is the shirt. And I got this for 3.5 too. I'll wash it and put it inside my box. The next on my list is this one. How to use that sew a gown? I don't know. I know that it's going to come out with sharp. I'll keep you guys posted when I finally sew it. I think I'm supposed to make this type with this material. I don't know yet. If I see any other fine style, I might make it. Next on my list, I got this powder palette. Then Kiss Beauty setting spray. I think I got this one for 3.5 and I got this one for 2,000. I think, I'm not so sure. Then I got some pedicure sets. Is it pedicure or manicure? People should know I don't come for my hand though. So this is how it comes. This is what you use to scrub the back of your leg. This one is 2. When I open it, or anything I'm going to do, because I'll be doing a self-care vlog, so I'm going to make use of this set. Then people are going to see how it's used. This is a brush. This one is a 5. I think it's a stainless 5. Then this is your pumice. So just don't go anywhere. Ensure you subscribe, so that you come through this journey with me, because it's not about this serious things. You need to take care of yourself too. I've been preaching about it, so me too, I want to start. I got this set for 2,000, I guess. Then I got this buffer. I got cortical remover, I believe it's in the color, but it's to clean your cortical, as in this part. When you've pushed it out, you use it to cut it out. So I got this for 300. That's for the roll, but they sell one like this for 100 naira. Then I got nail polish. I don't really know if I like this type. We'll see how it is. See this one. See how it is. I was looking for something that maybe it's okay, sure. So I got this for 300. I got this for 300. This is the clear one. I was looking for white shad, they don't have. So that is that for our nail abi pedicure stuff that I got. Then I got, okay, so guys, up next is the gele stuff that I got. Although I'm going to do a full, a well explanatory video for, since this one is a vlog now, some people might not like the gele explanation, so I just want to leave it at that. I just want to show you guys what I got and maybe the price. I got this packet, this pin that is inside. Packet of pin, I think it's 10 packs that is inside this box. Then I got this gateway. This one is Sego. I got 2, and they are different. That's what I'm going to explain in my normal gele video. So if you're a gele tutorial fan that is watching my vlog, just stay tuned. You're going to get updates on it. I'm going to do a separate video from this one. So this is how it is. These ones are of the same price and it's more expensive than the one that I'm going to show you. So if you're going to the market, you need to take note. It's different from this one. Both texture, length and size is different. So I got 2 of the big ones. I got 2 of these other ones too. So our daily tutorial is about to get lit. Before I used to do better videos, you understand? So now we are growing bigger. Then I got a showcase set. This is loom that I got, you understand, the full set. That's what I got. I'm going to show it, then in subsequent videos I'm going to use it to make bridal gele. So the other ones that I have will specifically go for any other one, but this one and this other one is going to go for bridal gele. Gele is expensive in the market too. So I think that is that for this video. Do not go anywhere, stick around and continue watching, because I'm going to take you guys through my weekend just like last week. I think this one is even going to be much more better. So thank you so much guys, keep watching. Good afternoon, guys. Today is Saturday. I guess you've already seen what I did in the morning. Oh, well, guys, I'm not happy. I'm sad. Not too long ago, I said let me come and take thumbnail for the vlog. That's this one that I'm doing, so that as I'm uploading it tomorrow, everything is in order. Can you imagine? My phone broke. The main reason why I even wanted to do this part, to discuss and all, like, I don't have ginger. I'm not. Any which ways, I'll put myself together. My screen is bad. Like, it broke. As I was trying to take pictures for the thumbnail, the phone fell like that too. And it's not even as if it's just a little crack. Everything, like from the beginning to the end, everything is broken. If I just do anyhow now, the glasses will start falling off. It's that bad. Anyways, let me not dwell on this. God is going to provide by his grace. I will get a new phone by God's grace. So that's just it, Sha. That's just it. The stuff I wanted to do today, I don't know, maybe I'll leave it some other time. But aside that, I have a question to ask you people. This one is supposed to be a fun something. If I don't have that energy, if I'm not putting out that energy, please, you guys should bear with me, because I'm thinking of how I'll repair this phone or get a new one. To repair it is very expensive, so the option is to get a new one, and now money no dey. So the fun part of this particular this thing is, why is it that female friends rarely allow their friends to date their brothers? I don't know if you guys have observed, Sha. Like, for example, your female friend doesn't want you to date her brother with the excuse that he is not good for you. I don't even know if I'm putting the English word. With the excuse that, like, for example, now you're a cool girl. They will not tell that no, you can't date my brother because he's all this type of guys that carry women and all of that. You get that type of thing. Why is that? It's like that? Well, as for me, Sha, I just feel that they don't want you to enter their family. There's nothing like he is a bad boy, you're a good girl or something. Anyways, I just want you guys to drop your comments. Let me know the reason why female friends do that. I don't even have an elder brother, or maybe if I had an elder brother, I would have been able to give a better answer, you get. So I don't know, my own is that I just think they don't want you inside their house. So if you have any other opinion, or if you know the reason why, you can state it in the comments section. As for guys, they will tell you that why they don't want their friends to date their sister is because they know how their friend is, and they feel that their friend is not good for the girl, or based on the fact that their friend is waka is going to give their sister heartbreak and all of that. Me, I don't know. I shall want us to discuss in the comment section. So I think this is where I'm going to stop for today. Expect a self-care vlog soon. Don't worry, guys, I'll keep people posted, and I want to try to do this silent vlog of a thing. Well, as the time goes on, Sha, we are going to see, but this screen now is going to be my challenge. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share my videos. I thank you guys so much for the previous vlog. Like, that one is it has started gaining views, you get, unlike the other ones. At least aside my daily videos now, people are interested in the vlogs. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for liking. Thank you very much for subscribing and all of that. Let's grow to a big community. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.